How to change currency on Ryanair. So if you want to change your currency on Ryanair, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with my Google Chrome browser. Once you're under your browser, now you need to simply go with the search and search for Ryanair. Once you've searched, now here you will have www.ryanair.com. You just need to simply go with the official website. And if you have an account, then make sure to log into your account. So you can simply go with the upper right and log into your account. And once you've logged in, now on the upper right side, if you have this kind of interface, which is the Great Britain, which means the British. So the country in which your account is being displayed is what we determine the currency being used. So for me, the country is displayed as United Kingdom. And because of that, the currency used here is from the United Kingdom, right? So if you want to change that, then you can simply go with the country option, which will be on the upper right, and then you'll be able to choose any country that you're comfortable with, and in this way you'll be able to change the country. And once you change your country, your currency will also be changed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.